Lead scoring tools versus marketing CRM platforms. Which one is better for companies? Most companies get this wrong by treating lead management as a single step. The surprising truth is that lead scoring tools and marketing CRM platforms serve different purposes, and using the right one can dramatically impact conversion rates and sales efficiency. Lead scoring tools like HubSpot, Pardot or Marketo analyze prospects based on engagement behavior and demographics to assign a score that indicates their likelihood to convert. For example, a prospect who opens emails frequently, visits product pages, and downloads content will have a higher lead score, signaling the sales team to prioritize outreach. Lead scoring tools help sales focus on the hottest leads, reducing wasted time on low-potential contacts. Marketing CRM platforms, such as Salesforce, Zoho CRM, or Microsoft Dynamics, manage and centralize all customer interactions, including emails, calls, meetings, and campaign activity. They provide pipeline visibility, segmentation, and reporting. For instance, a B2B company can track a lead from first engagement to deal closure, assign tasks, and automate follow-ups. CRM platforms are crucial for structured workflows and long-term relationship management. The key difference is prioritization versus process management. Lead scoring identifies who to engage with first, while CRM platforms ensure all interactions are tracked, organized, and actionable. Most successful B2B companies combine both. Lead scoring tools feed insights into the CRM, allowing sales teams to act quickly while maintaining a comprehensive view of the pipeline. The takeaway is clear: if your goal is to prioritize leads efficiently and boost conversion rates, lead scoring tools are invaluable. If your focus is managing relationships, tracking activities, and automating campaigns, a marketing CRM platform is essential. The surprising truth is that integrating both creates a powerful, data-driven system that optimizes prospect engagement and accelerates growth.